Hello everyone and welcome back to xm.com. It's Thursday, December 16th. I'm Christina Barthanidou, investment analyst. Take a look at the British pound versus the Japanese yen in the daily chart. Well, the Bank of England's policy announcement will be out at 12 GMT. That's in an hour from now, and that could potentially cause some volatility in the market. But let's now have a look at what are the technical risks in the market. If we closely look at the chart, we can see that the price has finally breached the top resistance around this descending trend line, which has been keeping the market below the 150.50 level for the past 2 weeks. So yesterday's break above that threshold signaled further progress in the market, and we currently see the price trading even higher today, rising as high as 151.79. That's the highest since the end of November, and more importantly, we see the price pushing for a positive close above the 20-day moving average and the 23.6% Fibonacci of the latest downfall from the 5-year high of 158.20. that it is around 151.14. The momentum indicators below the chart are supporting the bullish action in the market. The RSI, the stochastics, and the MACD have all changed direction to the upside, though some caution is still required because the RSI hasn't really breached its 50 neutral mark yet, and the MACD continues to fluctuate below its below within the negative area. So negative risks have not are not completely out of the market, and but if the price manages to close above the 20-day moving average today, then I expect buying pressures to strengthen towards the 200-day moving average, currently around the 38.2% Fibonacci of 152.49. The ascending trend line is the long-term ascending trend line from the stretch from the low of 124, that's the low from March 2020, is also within the same neighborhood. It's actually somewhere near 152.75. So that could be that could be another challenge for the pair. If the price successfully breaks above that long-term line, then the rally could continue up to the 50-day moving average and the 50% Fibonacci of 153.58. Now, what if the encouraging signals over here prove false and the price drifts back below the 23.6% Fibonacci of 151.14 and below the 20-day moving average? Well, that will potentially bring the descending trend line and the 150.50 number back into focus. If we fail to hold above that, we may see an extension towards the 2-month low of 148.96, while lower step below July's low of 148.45, and would put the pair back in a downtrend in the medium-term picture, which is currently where the market is currently holding a neutral trajectory. That could the bearish signals could become even strong if the price also breaks below November's low of 147.38. So overall, for now, the short-term bias is looking positive for pound yen, and I expect this bullish correction over here to continue, likely up to the 152.49, 152.75 area, where the price could find its next challenge. So that's all for pound yen today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.